Unity in diversity. How communities are breaking down barriers. The journey of light. In the heart of Bulok, where the ancient winds whispered secrets of ages past, there lived a soul known only as Atma. The land cradled mysteries and memories beyond time, where the earth itself seemed to hum with a melody that resonated in the very bones of those who walked its paths. Atma moved through life like a whisper on the breeze, neither seen nor unseen, but felt in the quiet spaces of the world. The sun kissed the hills in golden hues, and the moon wove dreams into the night sky, each celestial body a guiding light in the vast tapestry of existence. It was here, amidst the rolling hills and verdant valleys of Bulok, that Atma began to sense a stirring within, a gentle call from the depths of being. Days unfolded like petals of a timeless flower, each moment a revelation, a step deeper into the heart of the unknown. It was in the soft stillness of dawn, when the world held its breath, that Atma first heard the song. It was not a song of words, but of essence, a vibration that sang to the soul's core, awakening an ancient knowing that had lain dormant. As Atma wandered the sacred lands of Bulok, every stone, every stream, every rustling leaf seemed to speak in the language of the eternal. The path was not marked by signs or destinations, but by the inner compass of intuition, guiding Atma to the places where earth met sky, and silence spoke the loudest. In the embrace of nature, Atma discovered the rhythm of their own heartbeat mirrored in the pulse of the universe. The boundaries of self began to dissolve, and the separation between the observer and the observed faded into a dance of unity. With each breath, Atma felt the oneness of all things, an interconnected web woven from the fibers of light and shadow. The journey led Atma to a clearing where the sky opened wide, a vast canvas of infinite possibility. Here, surrounded by the elements, Atma sat in stillness, letting the silence envelop them like a warm embrace. In this sacred space, time ceased to exist, and the veil between worlds grew thin. It was here that the truth unveiled itself, a shimmering tapestry of light, revealing the essence of reality. The realization was profound yet simple. The universe was alive with consciousness, each being a unique expression of the divine, a spark of the infinite flame. Atma understood that they were not separate from the world, but an integral part of its unfolding story. The stars that twinkled in the night sky were reflections of the light within, guiding each soul back to the heart of truth. Awakened to this inner light, Atma rose with a newfound clarity, a gentle resolve to carry the message of unity and love into every corner of existence. The journey was not an end, but a beginning, an eternal cycle of discovering and remembering, each step a return to the home that had never been left. The message to humanity, the story of Atma in the land of Bulok, is a gentle reminder of the interconnectedness of all life. Each of us carries the light of the universe within, a spark of divine consciousness that unites us in love and understanding.
The journey of awakening is a personal one, yet it resonates with the collective soul of humanity.
In a world often divided by illusion and fear, the message is clear. We are not separate entities, but expressions of a singular, loving presence. By embracing this truth, we can transcend the barriers of ego and live in harmony with all that is. The path to enlightenment is not about striving or achieving, but about remembering the essence of who we truly are.
Let this tale inspire you to seek the light within, to listen to the song of your soul, and to walk the earth with compassion and grace as you do. May you find peace in the unity of all things, and the eternal dance of life unfolding.